Descript just got more expensive. And this is how the media minutes and AI credits are going to impact you. And I'll be honest with you, it's going to be a little bit expensive to use Descript. And these plans were introduced on September 24th, more or less September 23rd, 2025. So they changed how they track. So they no longer track like what you've transcribed and so on and so forth. So what does the free plan get you? 60 media minutes per month. They track media uploaded or recorded in Descript, regardless of whether they are transcribed. Transcription time is no longer tracked. That's the first problem we have there. Because let's assume you just uploaded a video of about 6 hours by mistake and it's gone onto the platform and you did not intend on using that particular video or even audio. Your media minutes are gone. So we've got 100 lifetime AI credits for the free version. These are what are actually used in studio sound, green screen, eye contact, AI generated media. Now, I mentioned it's going to get more expensive. I wish they've just left out studio sound, green screen, and eye contact out of this whole thing and left it, or more or less the media minutes or AI credits here to underload AI avatar generation and things like those. But the reason why I'm saying it's going to get expensive is because of the following. Let's go to Descript here and I open up a new project, video project, and I do have a video here. All right, here. Okay, I see they've got import from other projects. Okay, that's okay. Now let's say I click on project here and I've got these two files. They're identical. One is the video, one is the audio. They're just about a minute or so. If I look at the details, at 3 minutes. So I'm on the free version and this is 53 media minutes remaining. Let's just drag and drop them right there. So that should consume at least 6 minutes, getting me to about 46 minutes for those seconds on top. So there we go. And this should drop down to 47. Now, there we go. It's actually dropped down to 47. This is the big issue here. This more or less has already eaten into your minutes even before you start working. Previously, if you were doing the transcription option, you'd either decide on which file you want to transcribe by yourself if you have it turned off in the settings, like the automatic transcription turned off. It was way easier. Right now, both files are transcribing. But now the way they're looking at the media minutes is anything you upload is actually calculated as a media minute. So if you upload a 6-hour file right here, your media minutes are gone. If you actually decide that the file you uploaded, you don't want to use it, your media minutes are gone. And that's where it starts getting expensive. So let's go to the pricing. The pricing is right here, and you can do 10 media hours per month. That is if you're on the hobbyist and you're paying annually. Let's go to monthly actually, because sometimes the way things change with everything here is you kind of need to try and be on the lookout for month in, month out. So let's say you go with the monthly, it's $24. Let's say you uploaded by mistake a 2-hour, 3-hour, or even uploaded 2 files here. Let's say an audio file that's about an hour length and a video, and you actually just wanted to use the audio from this particular composition or whatever project that you're working on and create a sequence. Then one thing that is going to happen is you're already down 2 hours out of 10 hours if you're on the hobbyist. And this is actually going to impact on freelancers, because if you have clients who send you files, then you know that it's going to be a tall order on yourself. So once that happens, you lose your media minutes. If you accidentally upload, you lose your media minutes. If you actually wanted to just upload a video and just cut out a simple piece from it to use in a project you're working on, you're going to lose all those minutes. See how expensive it's going to get? It's going to get really expensive. Now, I've not gone into the AI credits thing. Because if you now go to the AI tools and decide to use XYZ tool, I don't think it's actually going to work before I put in a project right here on the timeline or whatever. But if you go to underload, try to do anything right here, it's going to eat a ton of your AI credits. If you click on this button here, this is more or less the models being used. If you actually look at how they're working, you can see there's a couple of stacking and so on based on the model you choose. Then it's going to eat into your credits. Now, I don't know what brought about this change, the media hours, AI credits, whatever. But for the basic part of it, the reason why most people joined and signed up on Descript is to edit video or audio, like editing a Word document. Now, I wish somebody watches this video and decides, okay, this media hours is not going to take us well, because imagine if somebody accidentally uploaded a 2-hour, 3-hour file, or even a video and audio that has already eaten into their minutes. It doesn't make sense. It's expensive. And then they've gone ahead and come up with the latest as of 9th October 2025 top-ups, which is a really good thing. So you can see the top-ups available here. You can do top-ups for the different things that you want. Now, let's say you want 5 hours. 5 hours is $25. What's the base or the hobbyist plan? $24 for 10 media hours and 400 AI credits. What should you go for? You'd rather create another account and just open another hobbyist account. Make it make sense. Now we go back again here. Let's say you want, well, this is more or less overkill. I wish they had like the option for you to choose how many hours you want. Let's say you want 10 or even 25, something like that. If you go for 20 hours, you need to pay $80. Now, make it make sense. For 20 hours, right here, for the top-up, you need $80. For AI, 1,000 AI credits, you need $80. Let's go back to the normal pricing. For 30 hours is $35. If you do the math, that's about $45 extra if you decide to do a top-up, and you're actually going to be more or less in a particular pricing plan or pricing top-up. If it's AI credits, it's AI credits. But if you even opened up a new account and did the 35 for creator per month, you're getting 30 media hours, 800 AI credits. More than that is, depending on what you do, if it's for the hours, you're getting 10 more hours. If it's for the credits, you'll only be at a loss of about 200 AI credits. Descript team, Andrew, make it make sense, please, because it does not make sense. If you go to this particular one, even if you decide to go with a business, $65 per month, you're getting 40 media hours, 1,500 AI credits. And this actually doesn't actually make this particular top-up make sense. It doesn't make sense. So as I mentioned initially, Descript is going to get pretty damn expensive. And I'll be honest, I don't know why you guys are doing this. I wish you just kind of let it be the way it used to be. The reason why people signed up on Descript or even keep on signing up is the ease of editing videos, like editing a doc or even podcast. And you've got a ton of good features. Automatic multicam, center stage, creating social clips, more or less good captions, whatever. And I wish that is how Descript would stay. And then anything else that you guys are adding onto Descript, that is underload, other AI models, avatars, whatever AI thing that you guys got going on there, I'd really recommend you kind of just let it be that depending on the plan one wants to choose, and make it clear that you're choosing XYZ, but let this remain to be what it used to be. transcription hours, because normally one would kind of just upload and then sometimes choose what they want to have transcribed right here and use in the script. Right now, when you do this, then it's going to be really problematic for everybody. Now, people are already looking for alternatives, and I'll not talk about alternatives in this video. Catch me in the next video and I'll show you a couple of Descript alternatives that will not cost you an arm and a leg. That's it for this video. I hope you now understand how the minutes, that is media minutes and AI credits, will cost you. Thanks for watching.